Hi, today we will be talking about compound interest. Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal sum of a loan or a deposit. So basically, it's making your money make money for you. For this exact for this lesson, I will be using the compound interest calculator on moneychimp.com. For this example, I want you to imagine that you're a 22-year-old college graduate who just started saving money and chooses to save $2 each day. Now, at the end of the $2 each day, that means that you will have $730 each year, and you choose to invest it into a well diversified vehicle, realizing 7% interest compounded once annually every year from now until you retire. So, the question here is how much money will you actually have in this account when you retire at the age of 65? For our current principal, it's going to be $730, which is the amount that you put into the account initially, and then annual addition is going to be another $730, which means that you will put $730 into this account every year from now until you retire. How many years is it going to be until you retire? From the age of 22 to 65, it's going to be 43 years, and our interest rate is going to be 7%. In this account, we will be compounding interest one time annually, and I chose to make my additions at the start of each compounding period. Now you see that by the time you are 65, you will be having $206,929.60 in this account. Now, what happens if you choose to wait until you're 30 years old to start saving? That those 8 years will make a big difference. So you will have 35 years to save this money rather than 43 years. All other factors being the same, we will find that you will have $115,770.73. Now that's not terrible, but you have lost $91,158.87 for waiting 8 years. Now, the savings that you have foregone is $5,840, which means that if you would choose to save $730 in a piggy bank at home, if you choose to save that amount each year for 35 years, you would have made $5,840. Now, if you choose to put this same money into this compound interest account, you have lost $85,000, $85,318.87. Now, what happens if you choose to save $3 a day rather than $2 a day? Meaning that you will save $1,095 each year with the additional $1,095 that you add in each year. Going back to our savings at 22 years old to 65 years old, with having 43 years to save, you will find that you will have saved $310,394.40 by the time you are 65. Now, again, if you wait until you're 30 years old and only have 35 years to save, with all other factors being the same, you will find that you will now have $173,656.10. You have lost $136,738.30 for waiting 8 years to save. Now, if you would have saved that $1,095 in a piggy bank at home, you would have saved $8,760 by the time you were 65. But if you would have put it into the account that raises 7% interest each year, you have lost $127,978.30. Thank you for listening to my compound interest, and I hope you have learned something and hope I have inspired you to save.